Generating electricity from the wind that blows across Quebec? It's not just possible, it also has many advantages. More than half of the energy used in Quebec today still comes from fossil fuels, polluting energy sources that release greenhouse gases. That's right, 50%. To reduce these emissions, which are responsible for climate change, we need to electrify more of our activities, generate more renewable electricity, and use our energy more efficiently. The challenge? Our current facilities can no longer meet growing demand. That's where wind power projects come in. Wind power is recognized for its low environmental impact. Unlike other forms of energy, it emits zero greenhouse gases once the turbines are up and running. Power generation involves minimal resources, and the equipment takes up very little space. What's more, the surrounding land can normally be used for other purposes. A wind turbine or wind farm becomes carbon neutral fairly quickly. On average, it takes just a few weeks to a few months to offset the greenhouse gas emissions associated with manufacturing, transportation, installation, and maintenance. For all these reasons, wind power plays a sustainable and efficient role in the energy transition. Another major advantage of wind power is its compatibility with hydroelectricity. While hydropower harnesses the force of water, wind power captures the energy of the wind. In winter, when temperatures plunge and the demand for electricity surges, largely due to heating, hydroelectric facilities come under considerable strain. And that's where wind power comes into its own. In winter, the wind is stronger and blows more often, and the denser air delivers more energy to the turbines. The result? Power generation is optimized exactly when it's needed most, which helps conserve water reserves in the reservoirs. And hydroelectric generating stations keep the energy supply stable and reliable at all times, regardless of whether the wind is blowing or not. Another advantage of wind power is how quickly the equipment can be commissioned. On average, wind projects can go from planning to the first rotation of the blades in 5 to 7 years, including consultation and construction. That's not long compared to major hydroelectric projects, which can take 15 years or more to complete. Wind power is also a very attractive option from a financial standpoint. The components needed to manufacture wind turbines are now available at competitive prices. Wind power is one of the most cost-effective energy sources on the market today. In addition, advances in technology have made modern turbines much more powerful. We can produce the same amount of energy with far fewer turbines than we did 10 or 20 years ago. So, think you can see which way the wind is blowing?